My name is Ana Saldaña. I am 32 years old. I am currently student Business Administration at the University of Compensar. I am work at the UN. I am going to tell you about my favorite singer. I am the song that most caught my attention with are the both immortal. This song is sung to a girl the men's and the hairs in our difficult situation. Por un segundo, the scene the two personal direct of getting tired of the in their livings in for another at Veo, the scene the touch his with it with the heart forming about at the girl and would detecting another man in the living the war. His there is Romeo Santos of the bachata genre are some the intended laws depending the words the two persons would have every in the dedicator show everything the what is side in the world left. That how wrote his verse. Romeo in every song the scene put at his passion and the romance making you feel the what the does simple and his whole itself. I feel the I identifying me with the melody because and my passion I have the favorite however had the high leaves me real. Finally, I am with the two you that reckoning has what's in concert are in Bogota in the Movistar Arena. Sound speaking is Sichon making his fans feel that what the noise in the cars allowing and sentiment. Thank you.